My name is Hussain Raza and I am from Genesis Talent. I'm a student of National Academy of Performing Arts and completing my vocal majors in music department from there. Apart from that, I'm also a student at the Institute of Civis, completing my Masters in International Relations. My hobbies will include riding bikes. That's what I love to do. Along with that, I'm also an avid writer. I was once quoted in the criminal drama of American show. It's called The Criminal Minds in 2017. So I do have an aptitude for writing as well as I'm also working on a certain script of my own. So that is something that I'm looking forward as well. I think that's pretty much covered.